Gattu Chinky meet favorite cricketer. It was evening, and Gattu Chinky were watching a cricket match sitting with Papa. Just then the doorbell rang. It seems someone has come to the gate. Let's go and see now. As soon as Papa opens the door, he becomes happy because his younger brother, that is Gattu Chinky's uncle, Vijay, had come home. Hey Vijay! Come. It feels great to see you.
Uncle, you?
Gattu Chinky come quickly and hug their uncle. Hello Gattu Chinky. How are you all?
We are fine, Uncle. Match is coming on the TV. Let's all watch it together. Yes, Uncle, let's go. Else we will miss it.
What? Okay, let's go. Then Uncle, Papa and Gattu Chinky start watching TV together. Mummy brings breakfast for Uncle and Papa and Uncle start talking to each other. So tell me Vijay, how did you come here suddenly today? Actually, Bhaiya, matches are going on here in Mumbai. And you already know that I am a sports manager. That's why I'm here these days. So I thought why not meet all of you too?
You did a great job, Vijay. Here, have some tea.
Suddenly Uncle sees that Gattu Chinky were watching the cricket match very attentively. Hey Gattu Chinky, do you both really know everything about the cricket matches?
Yes, Uncle, that's right. We know everything. And do you know, Uncle? Last year we also went to watch the match in the stadium. Papa is busy this time. That is why we are not going.
After listening to Gattu Chinky, Uncle gets into deep thoughts. Then he asks Gattu Chinky, well kids, tell me, who is your favorite cricketer? Gattu Chinky don't even think for a second and say to Uncle,
Who is one and only Virat Kohli, sir?
Very good kids. By the way, I think I have a surprise for both of you.
What? Surprise? What is that, Uncle? Tell us quickly, what is the surprise?
Hey kids, I was in a hurry, so I couldn't bring any gifts for both of you. But I can take you to the stadium to watch the match tomorrow. And that's not all. I can arrange to make you meet Virat Kohli sir, because I know a lot of people there. So if our luck is good, we will definitely be able to meet him. After what Uncle said, Gattu Chinky's happiness knew no bounds.
What? We will really be able to meet Virat Kohli, sir? I can't even believe on my ears, Uncle. Mummy, Papa, did you hear what Uncle just said?
Yes, kids. You both are really very lucky. Because not everyone gets a chance to meet their favorite cricketer.
Yes, kids. You both are really very lucky.
Okay, kids. Now I have to go. But both of you be ready tomorrow at 11 a.m. I will come to pick you up. Saying this much, Uncle leaves. And Gattu Chinky quickly call all their friends and call them home.
What? Will you both really meet Virat Kohli, sir, Gattu Chinky? Yes, Goody, really. Our uncle is a sports manager, so he knows a lot of people over there.
Gattu Chinky, then you say hello to Virat Kohli sir from all of us. Get his autograph and bring it for us too, okay?
Okay, Bunty, we will try. And Gattu Chinky, you both don't forget to click a photo with him. Yes, hurry.
Chinky, do you remember? When we went to the stadium last time, we had taken Virat Kohli's jersey. Why don't we wear the same tomorrow?
Wow, Gattu, great idea. Let's ask Mummy to take out our jerseys and keep them ready.
But Mummy was already listening to all their conversations. She calls out from the kitchen.
I heard, Gattu Chinky. I will take them out and keep them ready.
Thank you, Mummy.
Then after talking, Gattu Chinky's friends go home. And the night arrives. But Gattu Chinky were not able to sleep at all. They tried to sleep somehow. The next day, before Uncle's arrival, both of them got ready wearing their Virat Kohli jerseys. Then Uncle arrives in his car and calls Gattu Chinky by blowing the horn. Gattu Chinky, come quickly!
Yay! Uncle has come!
Oh wow! Both of you are wearing very nice jerseys. Virat sir will also like this a lot. Today is going to be a lot of fun.
Then let's go, Uncle. Now I can't wait any longer.
Uncle drives the car and straight away reaches outside the stadium. And then he takes Gattu and Chinky inside. The match had started. And Gattu and Chinky start watching the match.
Yay, the match has started. Chinky, look there. Virat sir looks so small from here.
Right now, I just want to meet him face to face. After the match gets over, Gattu.
I am getting very nervous, Chinky. I don't know what I'm going to say to him.
Hey, first of all, you should say hello to him.
Yes, you're right, Chinky.
Uncle also enjoys watching Gattu Chinky's excitement. They don't even realize when the match gets over while watching. And now it was time to meet the king of cricket himself. Uncle takes Gattu Chinky to the autograph signing area, where Virat Kohli was already standing with the reporters. Hello sir, this is Gattu Chinky and they are big fan of yours.
Hello, sir.
When Gattu goes to shake hands with Virat sir, his hands start trembling. Hello Gattu.
Hello, sir. I am also a big fan of yours.
Hello Chinky. Kids, do you really like cricket a lot?
Yes, sir. We do like it a lot.
And we know everything about it. Papa taught us.
Oh wow! Then you both can also become good cricketers like me in future. You just have to work a little hard.
What? Is it really so?
Yes, why not?
Oh, yes. Sir, our friends Goody, Hari and Bunty said hello to you. They are also big fans of yours.
Hello to them too. Well, don't you guys want an autograph?
We want, sir. Can you please give us autograph on this jersey, sir? Then I will always take care of it.
Why not Gattu? Definitely, come. Then Virat sir autographs Gattu Chinky's jersey. And after that, Uncle clicks photos of Gattu Chinky with Virat sir. The reporters who are present over there also click their photos. Kids, I really enjoyed meeting you. And you guys should work hard and become famous, so that one day I can come to meet you and get your autograph. Okay. Gattu Chinky liked this thing said by Virat sir very much.
Okay, sir.
Not sir, kids. Friends. Bye-bye, friends. After saying this, Virat sir leaves from there. And Gattu Chinky also come out of the stadium with Uncle.
I am unable to believe it, Chinky, that Virat sir is our friend.
Gattu, he gave us autographs, clicked photos, and he is so nice.
Yes, Chinky, I can't wait. I just have to go home quickly and tell everything to Mummy, Papa and all my friends.
Yes, Gattu, but first thanks to Uncle. All this could happen only because of him.
Then Gattu says together with Chinky.
Thank you so much, Uncle.
Welcome children. Come, let's go home now. Mummy Papa must be waiting for us. Then Gattu Chinky go to their house and tell everyone the story of their meeting with Virat Kohli sir.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.